Hey, you guys, we're just gonna here's the plan for today. Oh, I haven't even done the intro. Okay, let me do the intro. Um, all right, cue the music. Bonjour ni Janishanabe Dug. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and our Ojibwe word of the day. Our Ojibwe word is give me one. It's raining. Give me one. Today was a very rainy day. And as we record this, I'm looking out on the street and the rain's really coming down. And last night I heard the Thunderbirds. It was really thundering. So yeah, give me one. It's raining. And for headline news, I'm gonna send it over to Waboos with headline news and news from politics. Take it away, Waboos. Yeah, thank you very much. You know, what's the big whoop? Waboos Nindigenakas. Waboos is my name. And these are today's politics and headline news. Well, it's a busy day in politics. You know, there's a lot of people saying, you know, a lot of stuff to be scared of. And then, you know, I don't know what the big whoop is. Then other people are saying, yeah, well, who cares? It's not so bad. All right, back to you, Nana Bonjour. Hey, thank you very much. Oh, you did that just good. Now let's go over to Mamengwa with today's weather. Take it away, Mamengwa. Oh, thank you. Yeah, give me one. It's raining. It's really wet out there. And that was today's weather. Back to you, Nana Bonjour. Hey, thank you very much. Let's see what else we got. Let's do sports. And we'll do Makwa. Can you do sports for us? What are the headline news in sports? Oh yeah, I can do that. Bonjour, Makwa Nindiginakas. Makwa is my name. Hello, Makwa is my name. And today in sports, oh, it's a big day in sports. I tell ya, it was such a good day in sports. Back to you, Nana Bonjour. Oh, thank you very much. All right, well, there you have it. Bonjour, Nana Bonjour. And give me one. It's raining. All right. See, you guys got anything else you want to add? All right. Iga waba min. Minawa. I'll see you again. Hoa.
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask how she sees. When she looks, she's watching you and me. And Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snow finds its way up her nose. And don't ask how best I could do with what I had and all I knew, and we will fight all night. I don't see how we got here now, and this is all I have, and now it's all I have to give. But I can only say that I've seen better days. This is my mistake.